Hello everybody, it's me, Brian Baumgartner here, and today I'm in my kitchen. Why am I in my kitchen, you might ask? Well, for the first time ever, I am going to make for you, for the first time ever on camera, I'm gonna make my famous chili recipe today. Why am I making it? Well, I have a new cookbook out, Seriously Good Chili Cookbook. If you haven't checked it out, you definitely should. There are over 100 chili recipes from world champion chili chefs, from celebrity chefs, from regular chefs, and from people just like you, fans who submitted recipes. I had so much fun combing through the millions of recipes that I got to choose just over 100. We have recipes from different regions. We have different types. Today, I'm going to be making my home style chili, my famous chili. I want to thank all of you who submitted recipes to me, all of you chefs, all of you fans. I had so much fun going through them and, well, they were delicious. So stick with me here. I'm going to go through step by step how I make my chili recipe, and I hope afterwards that you try to make yours at home. Well, mine, yours. Make mine for you. You know what I mean.